Download and open the T-Mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your T-Mobile ID or phone number and password. Navigate to the Account tab, usually found at the bottom. Select Billing, then Bill Summary to see your current bill details. From here, tap View Statement for past bills or download PDF to save a copy. Drill down into Charges and Usage for a detailed breakdown of your bill. Enable two-factor authentication for secure PDF downloads to protect your billing information. The app is updated regularly, with recent versions offering faster load times and an AI-powered chatbot for bill inquiries. The T-Mobile app offers several key features for managing your bill, including access to your billing history, itemized charges, and direct bill payment options. Statements are organized by month, with filters available for different date ranges and charge types. Note that charges are updated every 24 hours. Looking ahead, digital billing is trending toward greater AI integration for predictive billing and plain language summaries. Multi-device synchronization ensures your billing data is consistent across all your devices. T-Mobile is also exploring blockchain technology for secure bill storage. Keep an eye out for future updates that may include augmented reality features to visualize your data usage. By 2030, experts predict almost all telecom billing will be app-based.